Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is bludgeon. It is pronounced bludgeon, and it is spelt B-L-U-D-G-E-O-N. Think blood and then Geon, B-L-U-D-G-E-O-N. Bludgeon means a heavy club or truncheon, especially one used as a weapon. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about a heavy object that is used to strike or hit someone. For example, you could say, he was hit with a bludgeon and knocked unconscious. Or, the police officer used a bludgeon to subdue the suspect. The word bludgeon comes from the Old English word bludgeon, which means bloody club. It was originally used to describe a weapon that was used to strike or hit someone. Nowadays, it can be used, of course, as a verb, to bludgeon something or someone, and also a noun. A bludgeon, a stick. In the movie, The Incredibles, the main character, Mr. Incredible, uses his strength to defeat his enemies, and he uses his bludgeon-like fists to defeat the menacing, marauding robot. Synonyms for bludgeon include club, truncheon, cudgel, and mace. Antonyms for bludgeon are gentle, soft, and delicate. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, bludgeon. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.